Hi everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente and I'm going to go through a short tutorial on how to get to your reports and do an item summary. So you want to go to your items account at my.puhsd.org and go to group reports. Then instead of report builder, you want to go down to standards based reports. And I'm going to use Mrs. Rose's 5th period class for an example. Click next once you have your class there. Select the test that you want to analyze. And you can see here that it'll give you the summary by strand. And if you want to break it down even further, you can have all these options to break it down. You can do the item summary, which is the one that some of you have been asking for. So in the bold print, you'll see what the kids got correct. So if you want to go over questions that kids struggled on, you would go to the ones that have the lower percentage. For example, question 10 here, 27% of the kids got it right. So that's probably a question that you would want to go back and look over. And you can also see the student responses here, where you can get the raw score for each student, and you have a nice color grid here that you can use with your class as well to go over the results of your test. And you can explore other options here as well. All right, so there you go. Let me or Mr. Sennett know if you have any other questions on items, and thank you very much.